Does your door rattle when it's latched? Mine does. I hear it when somebody comes in and out of the house, or when maybe the air conditioner or the heat turns on. This thing rattles. Drives me up the wall. You think it would be a hard fix, but it's really not. All the tools you need are going to be a screwdriver, a couple of pairs of pliers, maybe just one, and then I recommend having something like a face cloth around, and I'll show you why here in a second. Now, you may look at this and think that if you've got to unscrew these and then drill new holes like 2 millimeters over, it's nearly impossible. And that's true. But there's another little piece right here that makes it super easy. First, take your screwdriver and let's remove this. Now, once you get it off, you'll notice there's this little tab right here. So warning, not every house is going to have that. Your older latches, they won't have anything like this, your strike plates. But you've got this little latch right here. Well, that's where the pliers come in. All right, so all you want to do, grab this with one pair of pliers, take your other pair, and bend this tab out just a little bit. It's kind of guesswork, how much it works, how much you need to do. If you can see that right there, now it's bent out a little bit. I'm going to do it a little bit more. Now, you may be wondering why I had this. If you're concerned about scratching this up, you can certainly put a towel around it to hold it. And now, the moment of truth. All right, so it's an iterative process. If it doesn't work the first time, you just need to widen it out a lot more. If you can hear that, it's actually this moving, not the door. I could actually widen that out a little bit more. And once you get it started, you may be able to get a flathead screwdriver behind it and pry it out a little bit more without unscrewing the whole thing. And there are some strike plates where that little tab actually has a little place for you to put in a screwdriver and pry it out without ever having to take the screws out. But that's how you stop a rattling door. And it is an iterative process. If it doesn't work the first time, widen it out, pull it out a little bit more until it doesn't rattle for you. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope it helped you. Thanks for being here.